Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn first poem from module number 2, selections from Elizabethan poetry. Name of poem is Sweet Warrior, sonnet number 57 by Edmund Spenser. Edmund Spenser was major English poet, was born in 1552-53 in East Smithfield, London. There is no exact birth date, so written here 1552-53, and he died in 1599. Now we will go through his major works. First is the Shepherd's Calendar, which was published in 1579. It contains 12 eclogues. Eclogues is a short pastoral poem in the form of dialogue or soliloquy. Then the second one is The Fairy Queen, is Spenser's masterpiece. It is an allegory which about Queen Elizabeth. It is a combination of 6 books. First 3 were published in 1590 and others 3 were published in 1596. Then the Complaints, published in 1591, collection of 9 poems. Then Amoroti and Iphitalamion, published in 1595. Amoroti contains 89 sonnets shared with his wife Elizabeth Boyle, and Iphitalamion shows the development of romantic relationship between he and his wife. And last one is Prothalamion, written on the occasion of marriage of Lady Elizabeth and Lady Catherine Somerset, which was published in 1596. We will discuss now his very well-known poem, Sweet Warrior, sonnet number 57. This poem taken from Amoroti. All the sonnets in that collection are addressed to his beloved Elizabeth Boyle, whom he married later. Now see the poem. Sweet warrior, fain shall I have peace with you. High time it is this war now ended where, which I no longer can endure to shew, ne your incense battery more to bear. So weak my powers, so sore my wounds appear, that wonder is how I should live ajot, seeing my heart through lanced everywhere, with 1,000 arrows which your eyes have shot. Yet shoot ye sharply still and spare me not. But glory think to make these cruel stores, ye cruel one, what glory can be got? In slaying him that would live gladly yours, make peace therefore and grant me timely grace, that all my wounds will heal in little space. That is the 14 lines poem, sonnet, written by Edmund Spenser. And in the poem, Edmund Spenser told his wife, sweet warrior, she can't help him. And in the very first line of that poet is asking a question, when shall he having a peace? It suggests that it is the time when the beloved can go on a back foot, can return attention of his husband, and when we will live peacefully. Because poet is fed up with that battle, with that war, with beloved, and now he wants peace to live together. It is a very proper and suitable time to end the war. Poet says his beloved, you continuously beat me. It means you are not accepting my proposal. You refusing my proposal. So now I not bear it. Poet says, my power became very weak. My wounds are very painful, which had given by you. I will die very short because my heart is wounded everywhere. And he again asked, what is the use of this fight? this war. And Spencer finally wants from his beloved a peaceful settlement of love. Now, the form of the poem is sonnet, means 14 lines poem. Meter of the poem is iambic pentameter. Rhyme scheme is AB, AB, BC, BC, CD, CD, EE. And the tone is argumentative tone, and archaic words are used in this poem. So, it is a very interesting poem, Sonnet by Edmund Spenser. Thank you.